Oh! That was on video. Yeah. What you think of the snow, Emmy? Huh? She's done.
Come on, Stubby, get up.
What you think of the snow, Snubbies? Huh? What you think of the snow? Snubbies likes the snow. Come on, Snubbies.
Come on.
In the snow.
Come on, you need to go poopy. Come here.
I missed it. Do that again.
Come here.
Throw him again.
Come on. Here we go. Ready? Woo!
Snubbies, what did Mommy do?
Come on, Nubby, you gotta poop. Come on.
There's Emmy
No.
doing her business.
Come on. Hey.
Are you done, Emmy?
Come on.
Here she comes. She's hopping over the snow.
Come on, you gotta poop.
Everybody's hearing you say that.
Well, I don't have to poop. They have to poop.
This is Pammy telling her dogs they have to poop.
There goes a tree.
It's a telephone pole. That's all I care about.
Yeah.
No telephone poles.
If you heard, a tree fell right over there.
Now, come on.
Are you done,
She's done.
Emily? Snubbies, go poopies.
He is. Right in the middle of the driveway.
That's alright, it'll be plowed.
Come on, you peed already.
One more throw.
Come on, poop.
Emmy's. Come here. Emily's done. She's going inside. Ah! I just got hit by a snowball from a tree.
You gonna take a video of him pooping?
No. I'm gonna take a video of Melanie.
Come on.
Here she is
No.
in the snow. I'm gonna go throw a snowball at Emily. That's why I'm not going to.
She's not going to go. She has to. She's hurt on that.
Let's go.
Are you ready to go inside, Emily? Huh? Are you ready to go inside? Are you done? Are you done?
You need a roller, Ange.
Are you done?
Roller.
Are you done? You will go inside. How about a snowball? Want a snowball? Here comes. Oh, I gotcha. Here comes. Oh, I gotcha. Emily,
Poor Emmy.
look out. Here comes. Oh, gotcha. Emily, here comes. Gotcha. Here's some more. Oh! Dead on! Emily. Emily.
Where's the ruler?
You have to poop.
You need a roller. Ange.
Hold on.
What's that?
I don't know where any rulers are.
We need one.